In this video, I'll show you how to boost Facebook group posts and explain what's possible. Before we begin, it's important to know that Facebook doesn't allow you to directly boost posts made inside Facebook groups. The Boost Post feature is available for eligible posts published on Facebook pages, not group posts. If you want to promote content from a group, one option is to create a similar post on your Facebook page and then boost that page post through Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, switch to your page if needed, and create a new post using the same content you shared in your group. Once the post is published, tap Boost Post. Choose your campaign objective, define your target audience, set your budget and campaign duration, then review the ad preview. When everything looks correct, tap Boost Now to submit your promotion for review. After your ad is approved, you can monitor its performance in Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager. While you can't directly advertise a Facebook group post, promoting related content from your page is an effective way to reach a larger audience and encourage people to join your group if appropriate. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.